I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this 7x6 C-part closure wig. It is a loose body wave, but honestly it's similar to a regular body wave texture. It's just because the curl pattern that they did, it's more defined than the actual body wave that has like a more wavy look and not an actual curl. So I think that's why they call it loose body wave curl. This wig was I think it was either a 22-inch or a 20-inch, but I went ahead and I did clip off most of the ends, and I didn't show that on camera, but I did go ahead and I cut the ends to make it a little bit short to shoulder length because I kind of like it like this. But yeah, before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I end up getting this look, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So I can't find the box. I don't know where the box is, but you guys know the purple box that Luvme Hair sends all the time. If you don't know, and if you would love to see how the box looks, which I don't think is that important, you can definitely check another video because I have lots of videos collabing with Luvme Hair. They sent me some rollers. The Luvme Hair scarf that you could use whenever you're laying your baby hairs, or you can put it around your edges when you're going to your bed. They sent me some makeup sponge, stocking cap, some Christmas cards, baby hair comb or edge brush, whatever you guys call it, and the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. These are just some rollers, but that is pretty much what they sent to me inside the package. So if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, even though the cutting part is not in it, but for the most part everything else is the same. Like everything else is in the video. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You wanna get with me, stop.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiances, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name and yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. The inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep up at it, cause I don't do facade. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiances, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. If I hit it front of back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got the best with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style, yeah. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all years old. Shawty know to drive it low like a limo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go, go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go, go. Got that ass to the floor.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.